This is going to be the last portable coffee maker you're ever going to need. This is BougeRV, and I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It is your portable coffee maker where you can use a K-cup or ground coffee in here to make a beautiful Americano. Look at this carrying case that you get. Opens up like that, carries everything that you need on the go. So when you get the unit, you're going to want to charge it fully. You open this up and you can put in 4 to 5 ounces in here of cold or room temperature water. This is going to make 3 cups of coffee a day. So you just pour it in here until you reach that fill line. On the bottom, you have the cup. You just remove that. So this part right here, it actually spins off, and this is where the K-cup is going to go. You can either put your coffee grounds in there, or you can slide your K-cup like this. You're going to push it in there. It's going to click in, and it's going to punch a hole in it. In this part, you're going to put it into here, and then you're going to twist it until it's in all the way. The cup will either go all the way in, or if you line it up here, you'll see that it stops like that. And this is where you turn it on. If you do it once, that's going to cold brew. If you do it twice, you'll let it sit there for a few seconds, and then it will start brewing your cup of coffee. If you're looking for a portable coffee maker, take a look at BougeRV's drip coffee maker.